Hi everyone, Tanner from SkipperBud's in Madison here. Just looking to show you guys the 2023 Heyday H20. This boat is equipped in the black gloss. It does have a little metallic flake in the paint here. You can see that on the side here. Very sharp looking boat. Come around to the front. You will notice it does have the LED lighting package. You can see the strip there. It does also include this very nice tandem axle trailer here. It does have a folding tongue and a flip up jack with caster wheel. You have docking lights on this boat. It does also come with pop-up cleats all the way around. You'll also notice it does have a water sports tower on there, equipped with your swiveling board racks. It does also include an integrated bimini top. And you also have your Rockford Fosgate audio system. You see those dual speakers in the tower there for added music to the rear. Come around the back here. You'll see that hull design that Heyday is notorious for. See your trim plate down below here. This does have underwater exhaust so you don't get those fumes when you're in the back riding that wave. You have underwater LED lighting here as well. Very large swim platform on the back. And if you come around the side here, you will also notice you have an additional ski tow hookup there, as well as a pylon that you can add to the rear. You can take that out when not in use as well. That's basically it for the exterior. Let's jump on the inside and take a look at the interior. Moving on to the interior of the Heyday H20, you'll notice a nice large transom platform on the back here. You do have steps that lead into your center walk-through here. You do have additional cup holders in the rear, as well as some speakers. You do have rear-facing bucket seats in the back. These do have very nice sized storage compartments underneath, and that's on both sides here. Stepping on through the middle. Entering into the cockpit area, you'll notice a nice large U-shaped seating area here. You do have this nice convertible bench here. This can slide all the way back. You can face the rear as you have someone skiing or surfing in the back there. You do have this incorporated backrest here. This can easily pop out when not in use. This can slide back and forth as needed. You have your nice captain's chair here with your flip-up bolster. You do have cutouts in the side of the seat if you want to turn and have a conversation with the rear passengers. You can slot your leg right in here for a comfortable seating position. You do have some netted storage here. Throttle control. See your tilt adjust steering wheel. You have your Rockford Fosgate audio system head unit right here. This boat is equipped with a 7-inch Simrad display. That's going to have your configurable display there, basically all of your gauge information all in one screen there. You have your physical buttons here, as well as your trim adjustment. You do have an additional cup holder and a wireless charger down below, as well as your fire extinguisher. Very nice large rear view mirror here. We'll flip open the windshield here. This clips right in place up front so it doesn't bounce around while you're underway. You have a nice large bow seating area here. You have recessed spots for additional cup holders, charge ports, more speakers, nice stainless steel grab handles. You also have flip down armrests on both sides here. This is set up currently with the additional bow filler cushions. You can remove those and just have your regular seating up front here. You do have an additional storage compartment under here as well, a little glove box area. And you also have a compartment down here that can be released from this side, or you also have access from the front. Coming to the rear, right down here is access to your engine compartment. Flip this open here. You'll see the nice large 320 horse Mer Cruiser. That will give you plenty of power for all your water sports needs. And that is it for the 2023 Heyday H20 here at SkipperBud's in Madison.